सिंध की 106 तहसीलों में टेलीमेडिसिन की सहूलत पहुंचा रहे हैं। सिंध में बच्चों की शरह-ए-अमवात 1.2% है, जबकि दीगर सूबों में 1.4% है। तो मजीद उन्होंने बताया कि सिंध हुकूमत को बच्चों की शरह-ए-अमवात से मुतल्लिक निशाना बनाया जाता है, लेकिन ये बिल्कुल गलत बात है।
Quality of care at Northern Sindh region. Please welcome Professor Dr. Shanti Lal, Chairman and Head of Department, Pediatric Unit 1, Children Hospital, Chanka Medical College Hospital, Ladkana, for his unwavering commitment in serving the poorest and sickest patient Ladkana with humility and respect. Please put your hands together to welcome Dr. Shahzad on behalf of Professor Dr. Shankar Lal, Head of Department Pediatric Unit 2, Children Hospital, Chanka Medical College Hospital, Ladkana, for his vital contributions in the improvement of healthcare quality at Ladkana. Please welcome Professor Dr. Dili Jan, Head of Department Pediatric Unit 3, Children Hospital, Chanka Medical College Hospital, Ladkana, for his remarkable support in providing quality of care to the patients. Dr. Niaz Ahmed, Medical Superintendent, Chanka Medical College Hospital, Ladkana, for his exceptional assistance in managing children emergency services at Ladkana. Mr. Abdullah Khan Asar, GM Operations, Northern Sindh, and Administrator, Children Emergency, Chanka Medical College Hospital, Ladkana, for his tireless efforts in maintaining standards and providing quality of care to the patients coming to children emergencies at Ladkana, and Sakkar also, at more than 40 TMSCs at Northern Sindh. Abdullah Asar. Dr. Dine Zehra, Senior Physician in Charge, Children Emergency, Chanka Medical College Hospital, Ladkana, to receive her award from the honorable guest on behalf of more than 400 dedicated ER physicians working day and night in children emergency rooms to save thousands of innocent lives. Dr. Bakhtawar, Pharmacy in Charge, Children Emergency, Chanka Medical College Hospital, Ladkana, for her remarkable services. Dr. Bakhtawar. Staff Saika Masi, Assistant Manager Nursing, Children Emergency, Chanka Medical College Hospital, Ladkana, for her vital contribution in maintaining and providing quality of care at Children Emergency, Ladkana. Now I will call the faculty of Civil Hospital, Karachi. Please welcome Professor Dr. Muzammil Ejaz, Chair of Pediatric Department, Head of Department Pediatric Unit 1, Dr. Ruth Kemfao, Civil Hospital, Karachi, for her priceless support during steady and in day-to-day operations of Children Emergency, Civil Hospital, Karachi. Dr. Muzammil Ejaz. Professor Dr. Amanullah, Head of Department Pediatric Unit 2, Dr. Ruth Kemfao, Civil Hospital, Karachi, for his immeasurable help in providing quality of care to the critically ill patients. Professor Dr. Amanullah. Professor Dr. Wasim Jamalvi, Head of Department Pediatric Unit 3, Dr. Ruth Kemfao, Civil Hospital, Karachi, for his remarkable contribution in providing quality of care to the seriously ill patients. Now please put your hands together to welcome Dr. Sayyid Muhammad Khalid Bukhari, Medical Superintendent, Dr. Ruth Kemfao, Civil Hospital, Karachi, for his exceptional assistance in managing and providing healthcare quality, presently at CHK and previously at Sindh Government Hospital, Korangi Panch. He also provided his unwavering support during safe care evaluation at CHK. Now I will call Mr. Raza Khan, DGM Operations South and Administrator, Children Emergency, Civil Hospital, Karachi, for his outstanding contribution in saving lives of the children coming to ER with the need of acute care. Dr. Wahida Latif, Senior Physician in Charge, Children Emergency, Civil Hospital, Karachi, for her selfless dedication providing quality of care. Dr. Abira Tabassum, Assistant Manager, Pharmacy, Children Emergency, Civil Hospital, Karachi, to receive our award on behalf of more than 120 pharmacists working day and night for the cause of Child Life Foundation and Government of Sindh. Staff Mehreen Shahnawaz, Head Nurse, Children Emergency, Civil Hospital, Karachi, to receive our award on behalf of more nurses serving thousands of critically ill patients daily in children emergency rooms. Now I will call Dr. Irfan Habib, Medical Director, Child Life Foundation, who coordinated this international study from Pakistan. In the last, I will call Dr. Qazi Khalid, Associate Director, Quality Assurance, Child Life Foundation, to receive the award on behalf of all team members who have participated in achieving the significant milestone of Safe Care Certification Level 5, which is the first time in public sector hospitals of Pakistan. Thank you. Now I would request our respectable trustees to present Child Life Memento to the Honorable Chief Guest, Chairman, Pakistan People's Party, Mr. Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, Honorable Guest of Honor, CM Sindh, Mr. Murad Ali Shah. Thank you, all distinguished guests. Now I will request all distinguished guests to have their seats and will request Mr. Suhail Tabba, Vice Chairman, Board of Trustees, Child Life Foundation, to come on the stage for the vote of thanks. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Chairman, Pakistan People's Party, Mr. Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, our Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Murad Ali Shah, respected dignitaries and medical professionals, Assalamu alaikum. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to each of you for gracing this momentous occasion. Your presence honors us and underscores the significance of our collective efforts. The international recognition of the quality of our children emergency rooms is a testament of what can be achieved through public-private partnership and collaboration. It demonstrates that every seemingly impossible dream can become a reality when we work together towards a commitment and a common goal. I would like to express my sincere appreciation for the government for their unwavering support for the past 15 years. Your commitment, our shared vision has